Hello everyone, my name is Woon and I'm going to present my project. This project is to design an apartment and a food court which is co-building with nature and community surrounding. Project located in Taman Pancing, Permogan. There is a river at the east side and the main road space between the site and the river. In this site, the wind flows from south to north direction. This site is surrounded by the residential area, which are different villages at 4 different directions. Taman Pancing is a place where well-maintained with ecosystem. There are different types of animals including bird, insect, fish, and mammal. For plant, there are different types of plant including food source plant and shading plant. Food source plant which can find in the site are coconut tree, chili plant, and mango tree. Shading plant including Chinese petai tree, cherry tree, ketapang tree, Cambodia tree, pine tree, and breadfruit tree. Taman Pancing originally are consisting of a nice scenery full with natural elements which are animals, human beings, and plantation. However, as we can see from the video, too many buildings around the site and the human activities causing the waste everywhere on the river and the land, creating the issue of housing density and environmental pollution. So, for this design, the concept is based on biophilic, which using building industry to increase occupant connectivity to the natural environment through the use of direct nature, indirect nature, and space conditions. The design will apply back the essential of nature as part of design, which is water, earth, wood, fire, and metal. First, water. Rainwater harvesting system is designed in this building. Rainwater is being collected and using to water the plant at the apartment balcony or around the building. The pond is designed in a way to reduce the temperature inside the building and also help in preventing flood. Second, earth. Waste decomposer system designed in this building as to solve the waste issue surrounded or inside the river. The waste is collected from garbage bin or river, went through process and being stored to be used as the fertilizer for the plant. Next, wood and fire. There are green features at everywhere of the building, and the facade of the building are using wood as material for some of the part as to attract the small animal building their habitats at the building. Fire represents using sunlight as it provides natural light to the building user, animal, and plant. Lastly, metal. Building constructed using core structure system. There are a main support column at the center and supported by the sub-column. The building structure mainly using metal as the structural material. This is the building space with the division of 70% building area and 30% of open spaces. There are 35% of apartment area and 35% of commercial area, which are food court, lobby, gym, conventional hall, and roof garden. For the 30% of open spaces, there are indoor garden, small pond, parking lot, bicycle lot, and jogging track. Talking about mass transformation, a solid form is cut into 3 parts. The separate box create void among the building to allow wind flow. Adjustment of building height using hierarchy principle to merge with the site context. Lastly, design with principle of solid and void to create more open spaces. So, this is the master plan. From master plan, we can see that the building is surrounded with open spaces with different functions. The facilities including jogging track, bicycle track, parking lot, activity spaces, playground, and services path. Looking at the 3D view of building, the bottom part of the building is designed as an open food court and followed by the apartment above the food court areas. There are also some facilities including gym and conventional hall inside this building. There are also various green spaces including indoor garden, roof garden, and also micro farm at the balcony of the apartment. Talking about the passive design of the building, in order to control the amount of heat penetrate into the interior of the building, there are green features designed at the facade of the building to provide shading. There is also the big opening to allow natural ventilation occur inside and outside the building. Now, let's look into the 3D visualization of the building. Coming from the main road, there is the parking lot at the road side and there is the exit point at the end point of the road. Walking into the site, there is the cycle track in front of building. The building is surrounded with different types of trees which is not only provide shading but also becoming natural habitats to the small animal. Walking into the building spaces, we can directly see there is an open food court at the ground floor of the building. At the other side of the building, there is a line of food truck area design which allow users to visit while they are jogging along the jogging track. For the people who are willing to dine in at the food court area, there's 2 floors of dining area being prepared. Moving from the food court to another building block, the lobby of the building also involving green feature into the indoor spaces. The apartment design using flexible wall which can adjust the building size from time to time following the requirement of user to solve the housing density problem. Walking out from the apartment, there is a green roof garden which can have a wide view to the surrounding. This is the overview of the building design and some of the perspective drawing, and that's all about my presentation. Thank you.